الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسوله الكريم وعلى آله وصحبه وأهل بيته أجمعين. Dear audience, today I would like to draw your attention to a very important point of your life. As we all know that in this world, the more a thing is beneficial, the more cautious we are. And the more beneficial a thing is, the more delicate it is. And the more beneficial a thing is, the more rules and regulations are regarding that. Matrimonial life, the joy of life of marriage, delight which is gained via matrimonial life is a matchless delight. The peace in different spheres and domains of life by the virtue of this marriage are matchless. Then it is certain that the rules, the techniques to utilize this marital life, to enjoy this marital life must be delicate. This is what we understand. This is what we practice. This is what we believe. The second point is that as we learn techniques to utilize the things which are beneficial, we have to learn the techniques of marital life, how to enjoy marital life. As in our business life, we have experts' opinions. We hire them, we pay for them, and we do our business as per the suggestions of the experts of business. This is what is happening, especially in modern business. Each and everybody understands. This is one example. Otherwise, in each and every domain of life, if it is technical, if it requires suggestions of experts, each and everybody without any controversy seeks that and takes anyway. So we should have our own consultants. The moment we start thinking of getting married, we should start thinking of our marital consultant. Who will be that? First, we should learn how to get married. Then we should learn how to lead marital life and how to deal with the problems, how to tackle the challenges which are likely to face us during leading marital life. Then suppose if the things are not controlled, after even putting the inputs of suggestions of instructions of our experts of marital life, then what to do? For all these things, we need to consult the experts of marital life, and they are the scholars of Islam, especially. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has done a lot of favors. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has revealed an entire surah, Surah An-Nisa. This surah is especially for teaching us how to lead marital life. But only gaining the knowledge will not be enough. We have to be in touch with ulama from the very beginning of our imagination, our planning of marital life. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has revealed an entire surah, Surah Al-Talaq, which is surah number 65, and Surah An-Nisa is surah number 4. Why did Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reveal this surah? So that the people can be experts of marital life, so that the people can be especially qualified in this marital life, and the common people can be in touch with them, and whatever they do under the guidance of these experts of marital life. So I would request each and every Muslim who are not professionally qualified for marital life, they should be in touch with the great scholars of Islam from the very beginning, and they should get married under the guidance of these experts. They should lead their marital life under the guidance of these experts, and they should tackle any challenge which is likely to face under the guidance of these experts. If we are not doing all these things, it will be against wisdom, and the challenges which are facing us today in our society are not going to be controlled. I hope that each and every Muslim especially will definitely have a marital consultant, and he will never get married unless he is well trained by his consultant. He will never lead his marital life out of the guidance of his marital experts. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us tawfiq to do so, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us happy marital life. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.